Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel guys. So if you're coming on my channel, you're watching my video for the very first time, please don't forget to hit on that subscribe button right down here. Yes, that one. So yes, before moving ahead, I want to tell you that this video is all about how I prepare myself a day before my shoot as in not for YouTube or Instagram, but being an actor I have to shoot, I have to go on sets. So I want to show you through the entire day, like what all I do, how I prepare myself, and how I pack my bag, what all I carry on the shoot, on the sets, and my hair care, my skin care. So before wasting any more time, let's quickly dive into the video. So guys, for the shoot I'm going tomorrow. It's a last time call. I just got to know yesterday. So there was a lot of work which I have to do, which I decided to do in these upcoming days. So unfortunately, I have to do it. Not unfortunately, but yes, I have to do it today. Like 5 days, 6 days work. I have to wind it up today. So I have a lot to do today. So I have already jotted down, I have already made that to-do list last night so that I should not waste any more time in making that to-do list. Okay, so first thing, I have to courier the giveaways. बहुत दिनों से pending पड़े हैं, मैं नहीं कर पा रही हूँ because of some COVID situations or something or the other. So I have decided that सबसे पहले I'll go and dispatch these giveaways. एक काम खत्म होगा, and that is very important actually. So after that, I have to pack my bag and I have to film a lot guys, because I have some PRs with me जिसके लिए मुझे YouTube videos, Instagram content, and I have to make all that. So वो 5 दिन का काम हमें एक दिन में करना है. So before wasting any more time ahead, let's quickly get into the first work, that is going and dispatching my giveaways. Let's go. Here are my giveaways. Please ignore this. ये ऐसे ही बैग है नेचर्स बास्केट का, बट इसके अंदर गिव अवेज हैं गाइस. सो चलो चलते हैं. बाय. I'm done with the couriers. So now I'm quickly going back home, and once I'll reach there, I'll get back to you. So guys, I plan to do a proper hair mask routine with you in this video, but I thought I'll do it in a separate video because I am actually lack of time. It's already 4 p.m. in the evening and I have to do a lot. So instead of applying this as a mask, I will be applying this as a conditioner today, which I don't do like on every day, because it's a kind of hair spa guys. I love this hair mask. If you have not used it, then you are missing on a major product for your hair care. So please go and buy this one. This is very reasonable. This is just for 210 rupees. You will get it on Nykaa. I will be linking it in the description box down below. तो हम लोग आज इसको ऐसा कंडीशनर यूज करते हैं, not as a mask, because I don't have time कि मैं इसको 45 minutes छोड़ूं और फिर मैं नहाने जाऊं, and so I am now quickly going inside my shower. I'll take shower, I'll come back, and then I'll start with my work. And one more thing guys, I plan to do a face mask also today, but वो हम रात में करेंगे instead of doing it अभी, because अभी करने के बाद मैं मेकअप लगाऊंगी, वीडियोस बनाऊंगी, तो there is sort of no sense for me, because it's an anti-acne face mask. So that we'll do at night before I'll go to bed. So guys, I am just out from the shower, and the first thing I'll do is to do my skincare, the basic skincare after I come out from the shower every time before doing makeup. So starting off with, I'll be showing you in a fast forward situation over here because I don't have time. So this is a Kama Ayurveda Mogra water. It's a pure Mogra water guys. I'll be just spraying it all over my face and let it sit down and absorb for a good 2 minutes. And then after that, I'll apply the moisturizer, first the toner, then my moisturizer, then the sunscreen, and then I'll start off with my makeup. guys, now I let my hair dry naturally because I have curly hair, and if I'll try to make them quick dry using a blow dryer or something, they tend to frizz out and then they are not under my control. So I don't want that to happen with my hair for now because I have to shoot so much. So I want to have a good hair day. So meanwhile my hair are drying out naturally. It will take an hour. I will cook some food for myself. I'm hungry, I'm damn hungry, and I'll take the pictures for my stories for Instagram. I have some PRs and some stuff जिसकी मुझे बहुत सारी stories and pictures click करनी है, so I'll do that. Very first thing जिसकी मैं pictures click करने वाली हूँ are these eatables, delicious cookies and cakes which I got from Cookie Bouquet, and I will be clicking some beautiful pictures, eating them out and giving you the reviews. Wow guys, it looks so yum. Like, I can't believe this is a Oreo cake, guys. And the best part with these donuts are they are oil-free mini donuts. So yeah, let me quickly click some pictures. Everything you will be getting to see on my Instagram feeds and Instagram stories, like how they are, and you can also order if you want. So yeah, let's start. Guys, the second products about which I'm going to film something is the products from Earth Rhythm. I have recently ordered these products and I saw one YouTuber, Jovita, using these products, and she has given amazing results about these products. So I thought of showing this product to you guys. I'll show you. These all are anti-acne products, and let's quickly click some beautiful pictures for these products. Guys, I'm done cooking my food. I'll show you how it looks. So this is how my food looks like. Very simple. I love dal chawal. I wanted to have kadhi chawal, but it would have taken a lot of time, which I don't have. So I cook this now. Since I'm hell tired, so I will take half an hour rest. I'll eat food. I'll watch something good in my TV. And guys, I also cooked some extra food a day before the shoot, so that the next day when I'm back from shoot, I can have something to eat, because after the shoots I am completely drained and completely tired and I don't have energy to cook, and I can't eat from outside because of this COVID. So I have cooked some extra dal and rice. I will pack it and take it with me, and also if left out then I'll come and eat it again. So that's what I do before the shoot. The first I have changed into the outfit, and now I'm going to film the YouTube video. I have to just wind it up because it will be I think it will take around 3 hours for YouTube video, for IGTV. I'll be doing everything for this one outfit. I've planned a lot. After that I have to clean my makeup brushes because I'm using them today, and since my skin is so much acne prone these days, so I don't use the brushes which already have product. I'm taking extreme care of the hygienity of my skin, so I'll go and wash for tomorrow so that I can use them again tomorrow. So yeah, I'll meet you after the YouTube video. It's 12 o'clock and my call time is 8:30 in the morning. That means I have to sleep max by 2 o'clock. I need 6 hours of sleep straight, so I have to get up at 7 in the morning. So now I'll quickly go remove my makeup, do a little bit of face masking. I'll apply a mask on my face, and then I will clean my brushes, important brushes, and yes, pack my bag. That's it. So let's start with removing my makeup and face masking first. So guys, I have applied mask on my face and I will leave it for good 15 minutes, not more than that, because you should not leave a mask to, let it dry कि वो उसमें एकदम लाइनें पड़ने लग जाए, because that's not good for your skin. आपकी skin पे lines, fine lines बनने लग जाती हैं उससे, तो आप उससे पहले उसको हटा दिया करो. Same I will be doing, but in next 15 minutes what I'll do is I'll go and clean my makeup brushes. Let's go guys. ओके गाइज, तो अभी मैं अपनी किचन में हूँ, मेकअप ब्रशेस क्लीन करने के लिए आई हूँ और मैं क्लीन करने के लिए हेड एंड शोल्डर शैम्पू का यूज़ करूँगी. मैं डव हेड एंड शोल्डर्स या जॉनसन्स बेबी, ये शैम्पू थोड़े माइल्ड होते हैं और क्रीम बेस्ड होते हैं. जॉनसन्स बेबीज तो नहीं होता है क्रीम बेस्ड, बट डव एंड ये क्रीम बेस्ड होते हैं. तो लाइक आई फील द वेस्टेज ऑफ मनी. हम अलग से एक सोप्स आते हैं मार्केट में, दैट्स ऑल मार्केटिंग स्ट्रैटेजीज कि वो सिर्फ मेकअप ब्रशेस को क्लीन करने के लिए होते हैं. ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता है. आप कोई भी माइल्ड शैम्पू से अपने मेकअप ब्रशेस धो सकते हो. एंड वन मोर थिंग, आई यूज दिस फॉर क्लीनिंग माई मेकअप ब्रशेस. ये क्या है, जो चॉपिंग बोर्ड होता है ना, हम रिजेक्ट कर देते हैं उसको, मैं अच्छे से धो के रख लेती हूँ अपने पास. एंड देन उसके बाद आई यूज दैट, बिकॉज आप देखते हो कि मार्केट में आते हैं अलग अलग लाइन सीक्वेंसेस वाले, हम अलग से मेकअप क्लेंजिंग बोर्ड्स खरीदते हैं. दैट्स द वेस्टेज ऑफ मनी. हम इस पे इतनी बार चाकू चलाते हैं ना कि ऑलरेडी इस पे इतनी लाइंस बन गई होती है कि जब आप इस पे अपने ब्रशेस क्लीन करोगे तो वो बहुत अच्छे से क्लीन होते हैं. सो नाउ लेट्स क्विकली स्टार्ट विथ क्लीनिंग माय मेकअप ब्रशेस. सो गाइज, एज यू कैन सी मैंने कैसे साफ किया, एंड ये पूरी तरीके से साफ हो चुका है विद इन 1 मिनट. सी इट्स सो सॉफ्ट एंड इट्स completely clean. Like the same way I'll wash my other brushes also, and then I'm let them dry in the air, like normal air, or in the air like पंखे की हवा में या AC की हवा में. सुबह तक ये सूख जाएंगे. So guys, I have washed off my face mask and you can see an instant glow on my face. It's an anti-acne face mask and anti-tan from Glamaroma. I've already reviewed it and I've already posted a YouTube video about it. So now let's quickly come to the work, the second last work for the day. It's already 1 guys, and I've taken this and I'm just taking the excess water off. That's it, nothing else, because they are already cleaned. So guys, the brushes are done and I have kept them separately कि वो सुबह तक dry हो जाए ताकि I can do my makeup in the morning. And yes, now I am starting off with my bag, but before that I need to apply my nighttime skincare routine products. So let me do that, and I won't be doing it in front of camera because I've already made a video on IGTV about my nighttime skincare routine. You can go and check out. I will be linking down in the description box down below. So guys, this is how my bag looks like. Although I carry 2 bags, one is filled with clothes, like if I am asked to bring some clothes in case, because of this corona, in acting on sets we are asked to bring our own things like own makeup, own clothes, keeping in mind all the hygienity and everything, because you never know कि पता नहीं किसके वो लोग जो कपड़े देते हैं, ऑल्दो वो न्यू होते हैं, दे आर ब्रांड न्यू अकॉर्डिंग टू योर कैरेक्टर, बट स्टिल यू नेवर नो कि कब कहाँ क्या हो जाए. सो टेकिंग ऑल द प्रिकॉशंस इन माइंड, वी आर आस्क्ड टू ब्रिंग आवर ओन क्लोथ्स ऑप्शंस एज वेल एज ज्वेलरी, फुटवेयर, लाइक अभी के लिए. एंड ऑल्सो द मेकअप तो मैं खुद ही अपना करती हूँ. लाइक आई प्रिफर डूइंग इट ऑन माई ओन अभी आफ्टर दिस कोरोना थिंग, बिकॉज आई कांट ट्रस्ट ऑन द hygienity of makeup tools which makeup artists are using there. So yes, this is my bag. In this bag I will be keeping my makeup and jewelry and little bit of eatables, and I don't have to take my clothes for tomorrow's shoot because the outfit is in certain way that they are providing me. So and some sanitization stuff, because whenever I go to a makeup room, although all the rooms are sanitized properly in prior, either it's a vanity or a room, but still I keep my spray along with me, that sanitizer spray, and I spray it separately wherever I sit, and an extra mask also. So yes, let's start. So guys, this is a small handy sanitizer which I will be taking along with me because I keep on sanitizing my hands on the set. Then this is a small box, like ऐसी अभी कोई jewelry आई थी इसमें, तो मैंने वो निकाल के, because jewelry कम लेके जानी है, it's a very less stuff which I have to take, ठीक है ना, अकॉर्डिंग टू माई कैरेक्टर, तो वो इसमें फिट हो गया. सो आई थॉट इट्स हैंडी, तो मैंने ऐसी रेंडमली बॉक्स उठा लिया. आई विल कीप दैट. एंड दीज आर फ्यू रिंग्स, वो ये भी मैं उसी में रख देती हूँ, सारी ज्वेलरी एक साथ. ओके, देन आफ्टर दिस what I will be taking is, I will be keeping is a sanitizer. So here is a sanitizer spray, and ये काफी बड़ा बॉटल है, छोटा बॉटल मुझे मिला नहीं, so I bought it yesterday only, and ये जाएगा मेरे बैग में. मेरा बैग है ना एक कुएं की तरह है, देखने में बहुत छोटा लग रहा होगा, बट इसके अंदर इतना कुछ आ जाता है ना, I can't tell you. Then this is my small pouch in which I have all my cash, cards, Aadhaar card, PAN card, debit cards, everything. So that will go inside for sure. Okay, then after that, important thing which I'll keep is my makeup pouch, because that is something very important. उसके बिना काम नहीं चलेगा. So guys, this is my makeup pouch, जिसमें मेरा एकदम basic makeup रहता है, like basic as in 2-3 shades of lipstick, one dark, one light, one nude, and one in the pinkish tone, ऐसा करके, and my blush, highlighter, etc, etc, etc. If you want to know what is there inside this pouch, please leave it in the comment section down below. I'll make a separate video where I'll show you that what all makeup products I carry in my everyday makeup pouch for my shooting or for my sets. So that will be a separate video altogether. So this is a makeup pouch जो जाएगा मेरे बैग के अंदर. My bag is like very big, okay? इसमें बहुत सामान आ जाता है. See, चला गया. Great. After this, I will be keeping this brush पाउच. तो ये मेरा मेकअप ब्रशेस का पाउच है, बट अभी क्योंकि आधे ब्रशेस वहाँ ड्राई हो रहे हैं एंड आधे इसमें है, तो आई विल वेट टिल द मॉर्निंग. जब वो भी ड्राई हो जाएंगे, आई विल कीप ऑल टुगेदर एंड देन आई विल कीप इट इनसाइड माय बैग. टिल देन वो हो जाएंगे. देन आई हैव टू कीप समथिंग टू ईट नाउ, बिकॉज वी गेट गुड फूड ओवर देयर ऑन द शूट्स. खाना वगैरह सब बहुत अच्छा होता है, बट अभी कोरोना का टाइम है, तो इट्स लाइक आई अवॉइड ईटिंग आउटसाइड, और स्पेशली ओवर देयर. सो आई विल कीप समथिंग रिलेटेड टू माई डाइट, एज वेल एज आई हैव मेड दाल चावल, तो वो तो मैं पैक करके लेके जाऊंगी, बट related to my diet and quick things like जो फटाफट खा सकते हैं. Since I'm packing just for tomorrow, so I'm keeping 2 energy bars with me, 2 small packs of energy bar and Thrapton biscuit. This gives me instant energy when I'm feeling drained off on the set. Then I always keep 2 or 3 sachets of green coffee. I can anytime when I'm feeling like tired, dull, instead of always hopping on to tea, that is not good for you. Like, I am a tea addict, but I drink tea at least once or maximum twice if it's required. Like if I feel like today I'm feeling hell tired since I'm working since I think 12, I woke up, and since then I'm like into work. So today I'll drink tea, little bit of ginger tea at night and sleep. But like on the rest of the days, I only drink 1 cup of tea. So I take these green coffee in the flavor lemon mint. I like this. I keep them along with me always. And yes, the most important thing is my house keys. I can't go out without them, वरना वापस आना मुश्किल हो जाएगा. And last but not the least, and it is a very important thing guys, इसके बिना like कोई भी एक्टर नहीं जाता होगा सेट पे, ये है छोटे छोटे ताले. Because although green room आपका होता है, it's your space, nobody will enter, but you can't trust anybody that when you are shooting, when you are on the set, when you are giving your scene, तो उस time पे like your bag is there in the green room and it's open, so you know क्यों ओपन करके रखना है बैग को. सो आई ऑलवेज कैरी दीज स्मॉल छोटू तालास, और इससे मैं ना अपना बैग है ना लॉक कर देती हूँ. सो दीज टू आई विल बी पुटिंग इनसाइड माई बैग सो दैट when I'll be shooting tomorrow, I can lock my bag inside the vanity and can go. So guys, this is my bag and it's ready, and बाकी tissues, sanitizers मोस्टली सब वहीं पे मिलता है सेट पे, तो आई डोंट नीड टू कीप अ टिश्यू बॉक्स और सैनिटाइजर बॉटल सेपरेटली की, you know, you will get everything over there, no need to worry about it. So my bag is packed now. Now I'll just keep my slippers, or I have to wear those slippers tomorrow, so why to keep them? So yes, I'm done with the packing of my bag, guys. So guys, according to my to-do list, I have done everything for today, and I hope अगले 4-5 दिन तक मेरी to-do list ज़्यादा बड़ी होने नहीं वाली है, because मैंने आज एक दिन में अगले 4 दिन का काम पूरा किया है, because I'm shooting. So now I have last half an hour to relax, so I'll create an ambience in my room to sleep. I'll arrange my thing, my bed and everything. I'll make a cup of tea to just relax down, and then I'll go to bed, set my alarm for sure, and then I'll go to bed. So guys, this is how I prepare myself for the shoots. I hope guys that you like this video. It was a day in my life where I prepared for the shoot. I did all the necessary things. Only the hair masking and walking is left out because बहुत कम time था. Rest I did pretty good. And yeah, if you like this video, please hit on the like button, subscribe my channel, share this video, share this vlog with your friends, comment down in the comment section down below, and what else, hit on the bell icon for sure. And yes, next time I'll meet you for sure with such amazing raw content. I believe in making raw content more, so like this I'll meet you face to face as I am. Thank you so much guys, keep watching, keep loving me, and yes, good night, bye bye.